This is the binder clip assembly machine where we take standard binder clips like this. We attach these rubber handles onto them and turn them into these fancy rubber handled covered binder clips. Okay, so the first step is to take a binder clip and open it up like as if you were gonna use it. Then we're gonna set it down on this magnet right here. This is the space where it's magnetized. We're gonna take some of these rubber pieces here, lay them such that the opening is facing upwards in that orientation. We're gonna put them down here, like that. And then we're gonna use this handle and you wanna do it at about this speed, okay? You don't wanna slam it like that, because if you slam it, it could possibly bend the metal if it's not aligned properly. So you want to give it a little bit of time to go in. And there's a spring here that will compress, so it prevents you from doing any damage, like if it's not aligned well and it gets jammed. But here we go. I did that one a little bit slow. Let me do another one at full speed. Okay, so this is the speed I would normally recommend doing it at. And just keep an eye to make sure that it's not bending the metal when it's inserting into the rubber, and it should be good. It should look like this afterwards. Whoa. Try to do it more naturally, because with the phone I have a tendency to do it weird.